Theophilus Anani, so the best media school in Ghana there, and a too much multimedia college. If we say about equipment, apapa, a church for our quadruple ewadisium, any air conditioned room there, about media law, advertising, camera handling, and marketing there, and then a location of Abeka Flipper Junction. Fanamba ne boasio na wankasa frɛ na obi andada wa na memo bi kasa me frama wankasa frɛ abati bi
ebusuya for mama kwaba eba Afric Media eso mo amunim am say this me jima kunwa say a nsem fire social issues ho and the amount for marriages ho and me de person ye we so awon awon me yen kan kese ye de eye emu solutions so e be san so ata so ama mo ya na ma subscribe no ato ama foforo so ehunu ye koso na do for ne de me de wo wura eye ne koso mu a mo amunim e na mema tutu na bi wo ho ati so o peye nu fo kwa eyi o baba wo ha and ye bi twi nim no obetwe akwala nso so wo no kra no gusu twe me bisa say enye omunya yo senso de yo ye nua ba bi e de na asem bi abetu judge so che mu a oni ni kunu e na wo ho san so wo ba na be ma no twe no oba no so ne ba no so twe no no hu ni onye no bisa say e de how and the that sui or how I done sui he e de moa e na betumi e de aboa no mo mi twa mo na me ba ne ye nua ba ne kai no me ba so mo. I'm dealing with a man that likes breast a lot. Even when we are dating, he likes sucking and playing with my breast more than sex. We are married for 3 years and we have a son. But my mummies, my husband has refused to let my baby enjoy breast as a baby. Can you imagine I feed both father and son together, expect one, and as if whenever he's around, he takes it with the son, but then when he's not around, it is only when I get to feed my son. At night, my husband will finish the breast milk for my baby. If I complain, he will start crying like a baby, saying I don't love him again. That is a son that I love. Now, he bought palm wine saying it's a boost for breast milk. Each night, I will spread my breast milk like bricks for the both of them. One will be dragging me at the right and the other will be dragging me at the left. When I wake in the morning, I will be feeling dizzy. Even sometimes, my husband will be looking for my baby with a bad eyes and be hissing that this baby will finish this breast milk for him. He is even saying I should stop our baby breast for just 6 months old. That he doesn't want the breast to finish for him. Please, how do I handle my husband? I need your help. I don't know asema ye nia ba na e de ababa to dwa mo ahwehwe na America na asa punctuation kakra bi eni manu nti na ma bre na me nia ba ma ana asem papa ba ko pe bambus aba be pie mu wa ha se ba be do asem no mu sukwado fo mo nka mo ho na mai papa akwa ba papa bambus.
Yeah.
Where do you have
Yeah, so.
Them also on your breast milk now, no pay. Of the price and section.
I do.
And also, I
say, I
left 6 months.
Left near the right near
money. I'm allowing that 6 months. Also, about the entry, I am for no longer quite.
And I'm left in the memory, and you made for my lifetime. Right,
Ukolano to right and left in the mom. I so back over here if you knew about me and check. Or no half man. That's also putting their money. For
Africa Media. You know, let me tell you one thing. The beer a year more so a problem. How can you say ultimately no monofua, mo day to no monofua the whole day?
Oh, sorry, now who feel dizzy?
Because Oku, Mammy Capital, the man will be a sickle. A bit more yaru, by your name, Nippon or one, Beman, no, yare, Bemani, I do yare. Only because at dinner, no for so enyan ma test bia salt kakra
what can be actually
o me de makabia
milk you free mu no
da bi bia ni ma wiase me ka bi hwe da say o ka hwe na wo ka anka me da ka kire wo salt kakra enti ede na wo ma wo no adai o so ani ama no fo no ma
ona kola na ko nkwa yesi baby kra no so no be ma di esu ti sa kola
oh na si brema no wajimi woni e wiase ho sa kola so na wanya toya yesu onyi ya wonam wanyi papa mpuno no opetoys ano opetoys cartoons no ti won hwe o so an wanya toys o so an ama no fo an and you see he's been wicked wow no fo eminim say nyame ye ne say akola ne kra odi about 6-7 months after o man no fo na enso no wow because of enye emunye duru sa beye fo kola iti aden na wo no ma de so person ku akola and that's what so ku oba no wow because who said no for two no e bia ni nutrients e dem ba ku yensuo na ba ku aduan iti de we na wo no nsuo aduan de na wo no na nsuo no na wo no iti na abrofo yes se ye kwa man kola nsuo no you no phone ba ku yensuo ba ku aduan iti wo no ma ye den just me ne wo kan na wo se na pese me dream ni to person no but me ti asie se
em se ne jomo keke ye se ne jomo kra se empemu agro sex no kra
oyare wa ni passe nyina ni akoware o abodan for no akoware no no the betu oh but you see ewiase oma marriage and now obema eyo bibia won pair to send ya say mama did the matu ya e matu pro ya in the name of marriage Emma bibia be hurt to be because of marriage be inti hold on to whoever is listening to me Emma bibia wo wi ase ye say ade we na for say manya melusu mi kunu ti wo say me ye wonim say the long e be kun do you know o feel this year you can die iti ono
na collapse
good now so no because of dey what mean stopping no ka just me for ma
na at that stage na kla baby ekura no wa top am wine e dey man oba na say ono because e will still breast
na me say
abra akola
me say be man no yare because akola kra no pese akola nyi na onyi cha nti na say wonyem kra me no ma because akola no mpemu e be di nyina ngina niam adbeko
yes
woni say ma me no ma ko na indirectly no akola na so ko iti we no well Jimmy and the kaya ben kwan ma ne aben kwan nkwan hu se emma ana kubensuo emma no funsuo na ame de na anya bebre no ana so de de ti
obale say yemwa no no de on person ja wa we no mum ope kwan ya obetimi please be ma no
masa when you please please no call you see most women I don't know what is wrong with you
them
call a spade I can't take this odun ko be bia obi obeti bia be hu se bra na jimi odun company fu ani pom do pom so bra na so ajimi e den na nufu su a oyire e den ma de ba no say all stopping immediately or stopping no so onya onko kan kire man no na wo fo na say obi oba abusuani the man is sick onya psychiatric treatment no be ne because no ye there me tiase say nufu a akola no mu anyi no ada onyi o
akola no so
pass man onyi
wenyi na obi a wetimi awa ya sa wa
there say be onya tenten o person no tenten because no can there say I'm trying to understand you but I can't
you just
wow no ba no so Jimmy say you want help anything help and say money jai catch it say from today no more ultimate no menufu kwana kope milk no
so o money jai so osu nti no hu ni onya ho no na money timi su a te sa akola no nye
oh na say
no o say ma me no edo akola no so ro be ma no nti na ya ne ya se wa jealous o ne akola na eche nufo no ko onum ne kura akola ni numa na o ma akola ne ai bisa
wow we say woni me catch you be wa hwe no ja akola ne abema nto we ba na wa pu akola o hu ne say in the rival na yes you know because no
problem
oh bio we wa bodam no ne ti
when your man for die pola you
just wa bodam when you that be we the extreme abodam bosema eso hwe yi no ka because no ye no strange no oyere no fusuo For them, na protein and answer.
Na when one say oba say abro mo starting relationship ni yan na na be ma na eye akofem say o ware
I know the ye nyina say no but then me cry o yere nyama ana wo a o kwanu no vai and no after or wo wi a after 6 months and sana so bet me cry I started asanu no for bi na beginning no wo wi na wo se me kwanu no for e dey na wo hwe sanu for
me bisa say one say or start here no na o be ma na enom na we hu say we be problem and me bisa say one be ma e wo ho na mo have relationship na say be ma no e penufo a e say o stopping na na say bia o giant relationship
no you see ya wo bia we are addicted to is a problem they bia me come see even in pineapple we are addicted to pie won't mean nya adwuma they bia me ka bibia should be done in moderation so I say ain't no phone or pen what mean no man the whole day or problem or psychological problem once a while no for the macro person or be man no but on no na extreme and that's what beside before from if you try weird you need to be cautious.
Yes.
What is it? You need to check it because yes and or the leading to something else. Why we here to say Bema what did I down or the sa my mental line or the sa at the far or to oh na or the far not the far not so my meeting put them from far. Wow. Why stop here?
One the way no the biadan kasa
or the biadan around. Sanity be yes sanity. Into here now I don't want this.
No way,
but money continue there. Say I no be.
But never one kasa pa na futo sempe ana wo ma ye mami ade a wo kom de no onye mfa wo pa. Okay.
Ma me ne de me pa cho ma papa no oyare nti so ma nyare me pa cho immediately stop it. Mani njai. Catch her say no more, no njai. Why? Now so papa no so adenji me na wo no fo so wonom sai dey. No fo so nyanya we wonom magu mu sai dey. Me patcho na namu nyina namu njai namu say ewiase ne wo no entena se na aware nku entena se na ba ma nku bibia wo be ya wonim say ade we dey how any oya e be bro no enka say because of aware any be ma melusu ni nti no na like me we emo me why me damase
yo ye papa bembruzo no so ne dia waka no na for won so de e de ye mami problem o kom no then now to say wo betimi e de aboa no tro awo your comment section mo e ma ye wo wi be mo wi say wo be subscribe we me notification bell no say da ye post wa anu ti a won so sabeka bi e ya no wato ama foforo so ensa aka ne ekoso me din eni ekiabro ni that's the next episode so shede makram